How to reactivate Instagram account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Now, first thing first, in order to recover or reactivate your Instagram account after deactivating it, you have to remember your password. So, once you remember your password, tap onto your Instagram application. You will get landed onto a page like this. Here at the top box that says username, email, or phone number, you have to type in any of which you remember. Then you have to type in password. If your credentials are correct, you will be able to recover or reactivate your Instagram account which you have deactivated. In case you don't remember your password, you may also tap on forgot password and get help resetting your account. Now don't be confused between deleting and deactivating your account. Once you delete your account, there is no going back. But in case you have just deactivated your account, you can simply type in your credentials and log into your account at any time. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.